Okay, go. Oh! Try it again. Try it again. Oh, yeah? I like your SpongeBob pants. Uh-oh.
I need it upstairs.
Hi. What are you gonna do now? You gotta ride it, bub. Whoa. Do that and then land your foot on it when it comes down.
Heidi, no.
Heidi, watch your feet.
No, I'm not doing that trick. This trick.
Like this, watch. Like that.
No, it's like this. Now this is the Skater 3000.
The Skater 3000. Don't hit yourself with it. Put your hand up. Yeah. Alright. Henry, let your sister try it. Whoa! That was close. Hold your hand. Yeah, that was a good one. Whoa! Hey, one more trick and I'm going to turn this off. Nice.